Here we are at the Royalton Bavaro Diamond Club. Coming into the room, right off to the right, private potty area, leading right into the bathroom. The tub is sort of in the middle of the room. Jet tub, double sinks, magnifying mirror. Here's the shower. Super large. Comes with some amenities here: shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Hair dryers down here with extra towels. Closet. In the closet there's a safe, iron, umbrella, steamer, bathrobe, slippers, extra pillow and blankets. There is a door here that looks like it could be for an adjoining room upon request. The TV also doubles as the room service menu and the activities schedule. Mini bars down here. They get stocked daily, and if you have a special request, get it open. There is soda, water, juice, beer, like some chocolate milk. There is a special control for the ceiling fan. The thermostat for the air conditioning is over here, hidden behind the phone. Diamond Club came with champagne. And out here, let's go check the view. 2 chairs, a little table. This room is overlooking the lazy river. The swim up rooms underneath. Pool and partial ocean view off in the distance. This is the Diamond Club. Choose your suite.